How to update your personal information in Wells Fargo application. So let's get started. So if you also want to update your personal information in Wells Fargo app, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Wells Fargo application and make sure you're currently logged in or signed into your account. And once you successfully sign into your account, for online as well as mobile versions, just navigate to the account services or profile section, and from there you just have to update contact information. Look for options like update contact information or manage your profile, or if you have any other similar options you can just tap on that, and you just have to follow the prompts, that is enter your new information and confirm any necessary consent or notifications. So for mobile number changes, you may need to enroll in text messages alerts by replying yes enroll all in capital letter to text sent to the new number. Or you can also visit our nearest branch and bringing necessary documentations such as certificates, and by meeting your banker, they will assist you with all the necessary updates. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.